everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary, and I'm bringing you simple stamping today. This is a quick and easy card. What we need is we're going to be using the Artfully Aware, a brand new set. We're going to be using Memento Black ink. I'm going to be using the very vanilla note cards and envelopes, and I'm going to be using our watercolor pencils, but you can use any colored pencils you want. I'm also going to be using the Stamparatus. I'm going to show you a new setup. Now, I got confused when I was stamping upside down. It was like this, so I just put it over like this, and I won't be stamping upside down, but I'll still be stamping over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my magnet and my note card over there. I'm going to, excuse me, line up my and together we make a difference. Just like this, I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to bring it down. I'm just going to ink it up with the Memento Black. Now, because I'm using Memento Black, you should know that I'm not watercoloring this. I'm just going to color it in with the pencils. Now, you could use blender pens, or you could watercolor it if you want. If you watercolor, remember to use StazOn. Okay, and I'm just going to take that off, move that over, and I'm going to take out some of my pencils, and I'm going to just let me bring it down so you can see it a little bit better. There, I'm just going to color in the shirts and the guys and the gals. This is one of the stamp sets from our $1 million demos. Those that make $1 million, have sold $1 million, they get to design their own stamp set. So this is one of them. Oops, sorry. Didn't notice that was an arm from the guy. Well, he's going to have a two-tone shirt. Just like this. Let's make him gray so we can blend that shirt in. And you know, you can grab colored pencils from Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, or when the kids go back to school. They're just colored pencils, but that's okay. This is just coloring, it's not watercoloring. Oops, forgot a piece of his arm. I'm freaking forgetting arms. There we go. Now I hope you like my videos. If you do, please share them with your friends. And please, this is my business. This is how I make my money. So if you like it, I'd appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. The information will be down below. Okay, there we go. Let's do some of the hair. And there we go. So, simple stamping. Can't be any simpler than that. So, this is from Mary's Stamping Camp, Simple Stamping. Thanks for visiting. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the information to make this is down below. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.